kaunti ya Tharakanithi ne kwerekana ota milioni imwe mweri kumane na ugoti bura butumbite kuthuranwa. Akiaria na watibaro bawe ki mushemanio yura wekete kwa wenga Gavana Onesmus Muthomi NJUKI na wete kwina malori ya waki na thoko imwe chiithirite kieba kuri ugoti. Akioria maabitha bakuthurania ugoti otiira tulinya twitu kwitha tukingwa kaitene kau nabo MCs Mureithi Gaturo na Luke Marengo na ithirite bakithetera thirikari unonto bwa wetithia ngari chia ambulance ngiri 10 o ngari akiwa eneo njira kinya ya kuthurania ugoti ya buratu tariru mwandikitwo Andeto Samuel Gaishima.
Rapid Resort Initiative that we conducted a few weeks ago. When it was mentioned, most people did not know what it was all about. And I want to thank those people who participated in that exercise. Because our development partners, what we did is that we realized that in these revenue set points, we could be having gaps. So we got our officers and were assigned duties to stay on the set points for a few days between 22nd of May and 4th of June 2023 with the same officers. And believe it or not, we realize that we are losing up to 500,000. That is $500,000 per week. And how was that happening? How could we conclude that? Because the moment our team for Rapid Resort Initiative moved out, our collectors went back to the same that they were collecting before. I mean, what was the difference in those 2 weeks? We simply cannot say that during those 2 weeks we were lucky, there was magic. It is simply because there are gaps that need to be addressed. And that is when we decided to put cameras, and even those cameras will not help us unless we have proper monitoring. And that is why I want to report to you today in our call center for 1513 at the Office of Revenue Collection, which is based at Chuka, and we have another center at Kadwana. The three of them, we have 6 people who are employed on 24 hours, and you'll never know them. It is possible today, without projection, to be able to collect from our previous collection that we have done now, a total of this financial year of 400 million, which is even on the lower side, because our assessment by Commission on Revenue Allocation is 759. That is our potential.